Wow!
Lo and behold, after seeing the boat the other day on Jon Olsson's story, he just posted if anyone can get to an island that we assume he's on, clean the boat, like ASAP, then they can get a ride in it.
So we're getting an Uber now. It's on its way. We've gotten the window cleaner, which is one of the things you needed to get because they've got all the other stuff. But we're going to go and try and get there so we can clean this boat and hopefully get a ride.
Hopefully.
If we don't,
if not, fun adventure regardless.
let's go.
All we knew was that the first one to get there would get a free ride on the boat and that they were somewhere on this island near the ferry terminal.
The Uber would only take us to the edge of the mainland and leave us with no idea of how to actually get to the island.
Let's rewind a few days earlier.
Where are we?
We have made it to Sweden.
One of the highlights of Stockholm is its incredible Baltic Sea and the beautiful archipelagos. An excellent way to explore the archipelagos is to jump on one of the many boat tours on offer.
By sheer coincidence.
So we have made it to Vaxholm today. We've caught a boat from Stockholm City Harbour. We are just exploring beautiful island in the archipelagos, seen lots of little archipelago islands as we came out where all these beautiful summer houses are. And then
Arthur just turns around and goes, "Look, Lily, that's it."
it is our favourite YouTuber, Jon Olsson, and his new epic 100+ knot speedboat just zooming past. So we just pulled out our phones, quickly filmed it, made sure we got the shot. Such a sick thing to see.
Cool.
So cool. We were like, we hope to see Jon Olsson while we're here because I've been following him for at least 5 years and just love all of his content.
Definitely some of our inspiration
To the vlog life. So here we are on Vaxholm, just exploring, right on the water's edge.
So hopefully we see the
Boat again.
a yacht zoom
That was
past.
so cool.
3 days later.
Okay, this is the third time lucky. We're in the Uber, we're going to clean the boat, and we will see you when we're cleaning the boat.
We
Yes.
do have to get some kind of ferry or something.
Or a
across
water
them.
taxi across, but we're sending it, we're doing it. You only live once, go for it. Ben Cruz and Bill Wanderings, we're out here, we're cleaning Jon Olsson's boat.
So we just walked onto the car ferry that goes across to the island. I
Yeah.
think it's fine.
It seems free, so we're on it and we're going over. We got in contact with guys at Saint Amal, so their company. And apparently they've already got a wash guy.
I can smell the failure.
But like we're here now, so we're gonna like see if they need extra hands or need some more help. If not, it's a very, very beautiful area with lots of nice summer houses, so we'll have a look around. Huey, mate, they're just there. We can see them.
We just saw Leon running down the hill.
Right there in the center of that house, that's them. We're on our way. We've seen them. We're gonna try, even though we know that someone else has been there already. So,
Failure.
let's see what we can do.
Now we could see the Saint Normal team and the boat down at the dock, but didn't want to just trespass, so we knocked on the door of the house and were met by a lovely Swedish lady who unfortunately spoke zero English, but directed us straight down to the jetty.
We did it. We're about to meet one of our biggest YouTube idols who we've both been following for years.
Meanwhile.
I fell off the boat. We were cleaning on the other side, hanging on, and then I fell in the water.
Having finished our cleaning duties, we chatted with the team and Jon fired up the engines, and boy, does this thing roar. So cool.
Captain Dean.